What up, guys? It's Zach from Modified World, back with a brand new YouTube video, and thanks for 1K subs, by the way. It means a lot. So first clip, I mean, we've all been in situations like this. Like, my luck's never that good though. That'd be a new door ding for me.
You can't park there. You can't park there.
Let's see what this guy's got. Yeah, it had some cool Drake music in the background, but you know, Drake copyrights your videos for his music, so that's why you can just listen to me talk. But this is a pretty clean drift. I'm glad I don't have these in Kentucky, because that definitely looks confusing. The roundabout, that is. Makes for cool videos, but I'm sure that dude's heated. He probably definitely broke something. Shout out to Whistling Diesel. He's doing the Lord's work. Like, I just don't get why people actually think trucks like this are nice. Like, this brings so much joy to me. They just destroying this dude's truck. Like, honestly, if I was listening to Diesel, this truck wouldn't even lasted that long, honestly. It overheated just a tad. Now, we're back to some real men vehicles right here. Nice little C7 on the bead lock. I mean, I don't care what you say, dude. The Corvette's the nicest body style muscle car. Like, there's not much better. He about lost it. Would not have been a fun day. Or night. Here's another angle of that massive Willy. Like I said, makes for sick videos, but I mean, here's another clip of the drifting. Looks like in the middle of a town, but definitely looks like they know how to drive, so I mean, I'm all for it. It looks probably like a closed off section too, so that's good. Like, Jeeps, Trackhawks, and the 392s are really getting to be my favorite vehicle. It's got a point. I'm gonna say it's like a, yeah, it's definitely looks like a 880 car. Not bad.
You got clutch, you don't gotta stop.
You got a clutch. You know, that hurts my heart. That's a GXP too. If it's got a clutch, it means it's a manual. Car did not deserve it. I'm surprised a boat gets this down out of water. All jokes aside though, the lines on Chargers are nasty. 10 out of 10. This is that Gabriel production, dude. That truck's nasty. This car is on its way to SEMA, and it quite did not make it, but hope he's got good insurance. Could you imagine this delivery, ship it like truck service, explain to the insurance company what they just did? I bet they went out of business. I don't need to ask, I proceed. I mean, I'm a fan of it. You guys know what I'm talking about. I mean, if he want, I mean, at least he can change up the cab pretty easy. Do a little quick cab delete. I mean, I don't feel sorry for her. That's her fault. Oh man. Honestly, like I've been wanting a manual car, a GTO. Doesn't seem like a bad option. Dad's truck's a little too nice to be doing this with, but all jokes aside, this dude's probably not Daddy's money, but you know, it makes for good content. Pretty nice truck though. I'm not a Ford guy, not really a truck guy, but this truck's nice. Some people don't like the rubber band tires, but oh well, can't please everybody.